Welcome everyone. So today let's study about environment friendly energy, and that is called green energy. Okay, so let's study towards green energy. And green energy here, energy is generated or electricity is generated by using natural resources. Okay, and what are these resources we are going to study in this video. So this is for class 10 and part 4 video of lesson towards green energy. So electric energy generation and environment. Electricity generation based on fossil fuels. So fossil fuels like coal, natural gas and nuclear fuels, which we have already studied in our previous videos. Okay. Like uranium and plutonium are not environment friendly. It means that if electrical energy is generated using these fuels like coal, natural gas and nuclear fuels, it can lead to environmental degradation, and these are very harmful. So we have seen that burning of fossil fuels like coal and natural gas leads to emission of a certain dangerous gases and soot particles. Alright. So this results in air pollution, and incomplete combustion of fuels leads to formation of a carbon monoxide, and it adversely affects our health. Increase in percentage of carbon dioxide in the air due to burning of fuels affect environment severely, and the phenomena of global warming is an example of this. Nitrogen dioxide generated due to burning of fuels like coal, diesel, petrol, etc. lead to problems like acid rain. And soot particles generated due to incomplete burning of a fossil fuel cause air pollution. Now what are the soot particles? So student, the blackish colored particles which remain after burning of a fuel or coal. So these are the soot particles. Okay, and it can lead to problems related to respiratory system like asthma. So all the sources like electricity generation through coal, natural gas, nuclear fuel, these are very harmful to environment and our health also. So this should be avoided. So it took millions of years for formation of a fossil fuels like coal, crude oils and natural gases, that is LPG and CNG. Now here LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG it is a compressed natural gas, and it is mainly composed of methane, that is CH4. And also the reserves of these fuels are very limited, and they are going to deplete in future. It is said that with the current speed of their use, the coal reserves in the world would last for another about 200 years or so, and then the natural reserves, so natural gas reserves, for about just 200 to 300 years. And we have also discussed about the problem in use of nuclear energy, like the disposal of a nuclear waste and possibility of disaster due to accident in nuclear power plant. So nuclear power plant, it is very dangerous. Why? Because here we are using the very highly radioactive elements like uranium and plutonium. So accident may be happen, and this is very dangerous to environment. And considering all these points, it can be said that the energy generation from fossil fuels and nuclear fuels are not environment friendly. So there are other ways of electricity production which avoid above problems, and it is green energy, environment friendly energy, that is green energy. Okay, so electricity generation from water reservoir, wind, sunlight, biofuel, etc. are the examples of such methods. So by using the natural sources like water reservoir, wind, sunlight and biofuels, it is a very environmental friendly, and they cannot harm to environment and our health, human health. Okay, and the energy sources used in such option, that is water reservoir, wind, sunlight, biofuel, are never ending, that is they are perpetual, that means everlasting. These are everlasting, they cannot be end. Okay, and we have seen in our previous slide that is the fossil fuels, nuclear fuels. These are very limited. They can be end, okay, in like 200 to 300 years. So moreover, use of these sources do not lead to environmental problem discussed, in which we have discussed in our previous slide. So therefore, electricity generation through these sources can be called environment friendly, and we can also call the energy generated by these processes as green energy. And looking at the problems in electricity generation using fuels like coal, natural gas and nuclear fuels, the world is now heading towards environmental friendly energy, that is green energy. It is safe for environment and health also. Now what exactly is the green energy? So green energy is a term used for power that is generated via a renewable resources that has minimal impact on the environment and greenhouse gas emissions. So the renewable resources we have discussed, like a water reservoir, wind, sunlight and biofuels. Okay, so electricity generated through these natural resources or renewable resources, which has a very less minimal impact on the environment and greenhouse gas emission, it is called as a green energy. And green energy, there are different power plants based on the green energy, that is hydroelectric energy. Here the water reservoir is used for the energy or electricity generation, and second is a wind generation. Through windmill the electricity can be generated. And thirdly, solar energy. So by using the sunlight or sun energy is or electricity is generated. So these are all are the different power plants in which the green energy concept is used, and which have a very less or minimal impact on environment and health. So student, all the three types of all the three electric generation power plant we will continue in our study in our next session. And I hope you have studied, you all have understood this short video. Next part we will continue in our next session. Thank you.